Welcome to a world of beauty and indulgence. Have you ever dreamed of exploring Sephora's vast collection of cosmetics without spending a dime? Today, your dream turns into reality. Introducing Sephora's exclusive offer, free cosmetics for you. A treasure trove of premium beauty products can be yours. How, you ask? It's simple. Click on the link in the description of this video and you'll be taken to a magical place, an enrollment form where beauty meets generosity. Fill in your details, your name, email, and a few more clicks. It's that easy. No hidden fees, no catch, just pure beauty bliss waiting to be claimed. Hit submit and voila! You've unlocked the door to a paradise of premium beauty products. From luxurious lipsticks to mesmerizing mascaras, from sensational skincare to fabulous fragrances, a surprise selection tailored just for you. Keep an eye on your mailbox because something special is heading your way. Our beauty experts handpick each item, ensuring you get a taste of Sephora's finest. But hurry! This offer is as exclusive as our products. Limited spots, unlimited beauty. Don't miss out on this chance to pamper yourself with Sephora's best, absolutely free. Join the thousands who transformed their beauty routine without spending a penny. Experience the luxury, the quality, the allure of Sephora, all for free. Ready to embark on this beauty adventure? The clock is ticking, and the offer won't last forever. Visit website now, fill out the form, and step into a world where beauty knows no bounds. Sephora, where beauty beats. Claim your free cosmetics today and let your beauty journey begin. Click on the link in the description of this video.